What's your favorite meal to cook?
Roast rice.
That's pulu. I think the Caribbeans call it kalulu. But Nigeria we call it greens. Comment down below what you call this leaf in your culture and how do you cook it.
Which 5? Which 5?
I'm not talking about that.
Thank you. You know how to eat more. You said 5.
It's small.
No, it's good. No, it's alright. Alright guys, so don't forget to comment down below how I did in my cooking, and also don't forget to subscribe.
This is practically what we use the greens for. Fabian is helping out today. Fabian, what are you frying?
Oil and onions.
Oh, pretty cool. So what are you gonna make?
Potato porridge.
Potato porridge?
Plantain porridge.
Oh. There's plantain, boiling up the greens, crayfish, tomato sauce. You remember the tomato? How to preserve your tomato video? Yes. We use them every day when we want to cook, and it's so easy for you to scoop it out from here. And salt. So you're gonna add a little bit of this. Woohoo! Somebody learning how to cook. Not so much. Careful, careful. Some more. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna zip it. Make sure there's no air in it. Yep, that's it. And let it just simmer a little bit. That's okay. You put a little bit of salt. And put Maggi. You know where we get it from, right? Okay, get it from there. You guys know this one already. I use this for all my recipe videos. Good job. I'm just gonna stir your vegetables. Stir your vegetables. Is there water?
No.
Okay, that's it. Rinse it. Rinse it out. We're gonna get some water from the kettle. Get some water from the kettle. Hold on a second.
Water. That's 1 cup. Now we're gonna put the
what?
The plantain.
Okay. I thought you said tomatoes. I was like, huh? Tomato? Okay. Then you have to put a spoon of the crayfish. Get a spoon. Spoon. That's too much. Can you eat that spicy stuff? So what is this?
Crayfish.
No, what is this?
Pepper.
What kind of pepper? Cameroon pepper.
Cameroon pepper.
So you're doing what?
I'm putting the pepper into the plantain.
Okay. And you put a spoon of crayfish in the bag. What's your favorite meal to cook? Noodles.
Noodles, rice.
That spoon is not enough. That's it. And you stir it and you cover it to cook. Stir it everywhere. Okay, then that's okay. And you just cover it to cook now. This one right there. After about seven minutes, you can put your veggies inside and you're done. So what are you gonna do now?
I have to get the spoon and get the bottom part so it won't burn. So now I have to get vegetables, the leaf and stuff, and transfer them onto this pot.
That's the greens we got from. The greens. Some people call it kalalu. I think the Caribbeans call it kalalu. But Nigeria we call it greens. Comment down below what you call this leaf in your culture and how do you cook it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes and then it's ready to eat. And then I'm gonna turn it off. It's cooked. So it's actually gonna be my lunch for the week. So now I'm gonna pack it and put it inside my plates.
So is this the first time you're making this kind of meal?
Yeah. This is the first time. And then I have to put a little bit for her so she can taste.
That's too much. That's too much. I don't want that much. Okay. I want to taste with caution.
Okay. So that's just a little.
Put some more, a little bit more. Thank you.
Okay. You should hire me. You know, I charge $100.
You charge $100 to make this food?
It's not easy, yo. You stress and punch. It's not easy. That pay me. I'll come to your house and force you.
Oh, you go to the house and you cook for them? Okay.
Okay. Get all that. So that's it. So now I have to sit it down and let it cool off.
Basically, we have to wash the dishes now. It's good.
Okay.
That's for 5.
Which 5?
Oh.
Which 5?
I'm not talking about that.
Thank you, thank you. You know how to eat more. It's a 5.
It's small.
No, it's good.
It's a little bit.
No, it's alright. It's good. It's a 5. You don't have to eat anymore. It's good. You can go and lay down. Now wash the dishes. It's okay. It's a 5, right? It's okay. It's a 5, right?
Okay.
You better don't be coming out to sneak me. I'll be out here till 1 o'clock.
Okay. Wash the dishes. All the dishes. You used to cook your lunch for the week. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the plantain porridge with greens. Very cool. And we actually prep a lot of food for the week too. So this is good.
Alright guys, so don't forget to comment down below how I did in my cooking, and also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and also turn on that post notification. And also, you already know what to do. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Hi guys. Fabian cooks dinner. He said lunch for the week. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you guys.